Hi guys, today I'm going to take you through the process of changing your Kettle Original filtered and boiling handle. Supplied in the kit of parts is an installation guide, a replacement handle, a spare coloured Indice and an Allen key. So what we're going to do first is to switch off the power on the front of the boiler, then come up to the tap and activate the boiling water side of the product. And we're going to flush the boiling water out of the system. When you get to the point of where the water has run cold, like so, turn the boiling water off. You then go back down underneath the sink. Isolate the water going to the filter system via the green handled ball valve. Come back up to the product and just release any pressure on both the filtered side and the boiling side. First part of the process is to remove the coloured Indice. So we're going to use this kitchen knife and use the point of the knife to remove the Indice. So put the point just inside the little hole there. Just push it in and give it a little turn. And just to lever the Indice out like that. And then use the Allen key to remove the screw. So when removing the screw with my other hand, I just like to hold it around the handle, then use the long part of the Allen key just to push down and just remove the screw. We remove the handle, just turn it up like that and just remove the screw. Just going to drop the screw inside the handle, use the Allen key, position the handle on the valve, just making sure that the button is in the 12 o'clock position. And use the Allen key just to fully tighten the screw in position. I like to do as well, just to ensure the screw is fully tightened. Use the long part of the Allen key, your spare hand to hold the handle in position, and just give it a nice tighten like so. Then the last part is to replace the Indice. So what you've got is the red part of the Indice goes to the right hand side, and the green part just goes to the left. That indicates your filtered and boiling water. You just push that in there like that, and it's done. With the handle all nice positioned, we're going to firstly turn on the water, activate the boiling side, just flush water through. You've got a nice flow of water through there. And just do the same for the filtered. It all looks good. And again, just check in that there's no leaks around. Back down to the tank. Switch on the power, allow for 20 minutes for the boiler to heat up. Once that's done, you can have a cup of tea.